Hello friends and welcome you all. So today I am going to explain the problems on projection of planes for a regular hexagon having 25 mm is the side for the hexagonal. So one of its sides in the HP and it is inclined 60 degree to the VP. And the surface is making 45 degree with the HP. Okay, so in this question, the hexagonal having a side of 25 mm. So you have to first know how to draw the hexagonal. You can draw with different methodology. So you can follow anything. So you have to draw the 20 mm sides of hexagonal. So here it is mentioned. So it's one of its sides in the HP. Okay, so one of its side means, so hexagonal it can be like this or it can also be like this. Okay, so now which position is correct in this question? So here it is mentioned one of its sides. So one of its sides means these are the 6 sides. So one of any one side is in the HP. Okay, so this can be used when one of its corner, so this will be corner, right? So one of its corner is in the HP, that time you should use this position. Okay, now hope the top view of the hexagonal that is clear to you. Okay, so for this problem this is not the correct position, you have to use this position as the top view. Okay, so after that we'll go to the solution. Now you have to first draw a reference line. Take as x, y and VP above the reference line, HP below the reference line. Okay, now construct a hexagonal having a sides of 25 mm. So you can use the circle method or you can use the protector to construct this hexagonal. Okay, now mention their lettering, like you can start with A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so this will be your center. After that, make the projection of all these lines with a thin lines. You should make projection. Okay, very thin lines you have to use to project. So after that you have to draw their front view. Okay, you have to draw the front view with thick line. So this front view, it will appear like a straight line in the planes. Okay, now again this numbering, if you are looking the object from here, okay, how their front view will be appears, like in the startingly you can see A, B, C. So that should be okay. So you can see A, let us write as A dash, and you can see B, let us write B dash, because both these are lies on the same line. Okay, both will on the same line. So B dash you can appear first, then C dash. But there are some another 3 points which are hidden too in the front view. So F, E, D. Okay, so F, it should be in the bracket. Okay, you cannot see from there in this position, and E should be in the bracket, and also D should be in the bracket. Okay, now second step. So this is an first step here. First step, their front view, this is front view and this is top view you have completed. Now we'll go for the second step. Second step, it should be HP making an angle or HP inclination we have to draw. So that is given at the end. Generally it is given in the second step, but here it is given at the end. So you have to carefully, you have to see the surface is making an angle of 45 degree to the HP. So surface, this is an surface which is making 45 degree to the HP. Okay, so now whatever the distance of this A to D, okay, so same, take an angle having a -45 degree angle, inclination line, and measure this distance from A to D, whatever the you can say A to C or you can say A to D also. Okay, whatever distance you are having, just you measure from here to here and mark on this. Now this becomes your distance. Now similarly you copy the letterings also, like A dash, F dash, and here whatever the distance you are obtaining, again same thing you mark on this line. So it will be B dash, E dash, and at the end you will get C dash, D dash. Okay, so these are the 3 points on the inclination 45 degree. Okay, so this become inclination at 45 degree. Again draw vertical lines. Okay, you have to make projection lines now. Below, take all these points below with thin lines. Okay, and from here all the corners take a straight line from A to, like this, B to horizontal right side. So this become, sorry, so B and D again coincide. Now E. Okay, so now this becomes the reduced hexagonal. Okay, now here there will be A, this one you can write A, like you can write A1 now, and next here B and this B, so you can write B1, this one will be C1, and this one is D1, E1, this is F1. Okay, now all points you join through thick lines. So it becomes an resize, okay, reduced hexagonal. The hexagonal, this is a regular hexagonal, this is an reduced hexagonal. So in the third step, so this second step is completed. Now we'll go for the third steps. So in the third step here, the inclination at 60 degree to VP. So third step there will be inclination to VP. So it is having 60 degree. So one of its side, again one of its sides it is making inclination 60 degree to the VP. So any one of sides you can take A1 F1, or you can say take D1 C1, any one of sides it's making inclination 45 degree to the VP. So first take an angle of 45 degree like this. So this is an 45 degree, sorry, okay, so this is an 45 degree angle. After that here one of its sides, so one of its sides means again this one side is on HP, so you can write this one. First I will keep A1 F1. So if you are feeling this is a very complicated shape, so how to shift this hexagonal to here? So there is a simple way. You can make this as one rectangular box, okay, like this. Let us say 1 2 3 4 is a one rectangle box. First you shift rectangle box here, so after that the same hexagonal transfer here. Okay, I will tell you the way. So first 192 mark on this line. So whatever the distance of 1 to 2, you take it. After that 1 to 4, mark on this. Now diagonal you take 1 to 3 and you make a curve here. So this first square is appeared here on the angle of 45 degree. Okay, right. So after that, what is there between 1 to 2? So 1, 2, 3, 4 is here. 1 to 2 between A and F is there. So now measure the same distance. What is the distance from 2 to A? So mark on this 1 to F. Same thing you can appear here. Same distance will be here. And what is the between 1 to 4? E is there. Measure any one distance and mark on this. Okay, now the total hexagonal, it will be appear on this. This is one of the simplest method. You can transfer the hexagonal, entire hexagonal from the square. Okay, now again mention the same naming here. Like you can mention A1, B1, C1, D1, F1 and E1. Okay, so after that make again projection. All these lines you have to make it projection towards upward. Okay, so from these are approximately straight line, but okay, I will take these lines whether it will come. Yeah, okay, better. Okay, now from this point take horizontal projection. Anyhow, A on the reference line. So now A and this A are joining at this point. Okay, right. So let us say this is an A1 dash. Now B and B are joining at this point. Let us say B1 dash. C here. So C and C, this C, C1 dash. D inside one. So here D1 dash. E D1 dash, list F. F is at the bottom. So this is F dash, F1 dash. So A, B, C, D, E is the here. So E at the middle one now. Right? Yeah. This one is E1 dash. So A and B, B to C, C to D, something it's not accurately coming, but yeah, this point we have marked as E1F. So A to B, B to C. The middle one is not C, yeah, it is E. We have made some mistake here. So this is E and C is here, right? C point is meeting at this somewhere here. So this is C dash actually, and E and E are, yeah, this is right. So only there is a mistake with C. Yes. Okay. Now, so A, B, C, D, E, F. F is at the bottom. F, B and E, C, C in C, D, little confusion is there, but actually if you take accurately, because I have not taken accurately, so your hexagonal will can be appear like this. Okay, so in their front view, if you see their views from this angle, so their front view will be appears like this. Okay, so thank you for watching.